Hello students and welcome back to another video. Now that we're done with the introduction of the articles, we will move on to the indefinite articles part. So as I told earlier, the indefinite articles are a and an. But I didn't mention that how do we identify that where should we use a and where should we use an. Which nouns would take a and which nouns would take an. So for that identification, there is a rule that if the first beginning sound of the noun is a vowel sound, then we will place an before that noun. But if the beginning sound of the noun is a consonant sound, then we will place a before that. And vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. So A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and their sounds are called the vowel sounds. And all the other letters in English language, for example, B, C, D, F, G and till Z, all the other letters are the consonant and their sounds are called the consonant sounds. For examples, I can say for the word honest man. This is a phrase, a noun phrase, honest man. So what should we place before this? When you look at the word honest, it begins with H, that is a consonant. But when you look at its sound, we pronounce it as honest. Honest. So it begins with the sound of O because H is silent in this case. So the first sound of honest is of O. That is why we will place an before it, an honest man. And another example is of university. University begins with a vowel U, but when we look at its sound, it has U, Y, the sound of Y, university. So it has the sound of Y, that is a consonant. So we will place A before that, a university. And there is a name of degree that we call MBA. So it begins with M. And the sound that comes is of EM, M. So the sound is of E, so that is why we will place an before that, an MBA. That person is an MBA. So we will place an before MBA because the sound is of E, that is a vowel. So that was all to understand about the placement of a and an. Keep that in mind. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.